Hi, Russ Sallow here with GPS to Go. I'm going to show you this brand new camera that we've got from the SurfSight company. This is a remarkable little device. Comes with the LCD screen. It has artificial intelligence built into it, your front-facing camera and your rear-facing camera that are adjustable on the side. Very, very cool, impressive device. It's not big, but it has a lot of big features. So once I've plugged that in, I've angled the camera in the front so we can see the front. And then if I touch this for camera 2, hello, it's Russ here, we can now see the driver. So you've got both forward and rear facing. And the camera can be powered just like that with the onboard diagnostic port plugged. So if we're touching live view, we're going to see the camera front and back as we talked about earlier. I can switch it to the inward facing camera, and now I can see myself holding this up. And then we can start going into our recording screen and looking at the different recordings. If I push play, it will start showing us what we've been doing today.